Frustrated by incomplete, outdated, and irrelevant sales data in Salesforce? Slowed down by an inability to identify problem areas, gather insights efficiently, and coach your people effectively? Have sluggish pipelines, unpredictable forecasts, and slip deals stop you cold? Let iSEEit's opportunity management tool get you on track. iSEEit is a native Salesforce app that allows you to visualize any sales qualification methodology and fully configure your sales process based on your best practices so that you can more accurately and consistently qualify opportunities and close deals. iSEEit creates aggregated, intuitive views with structured, real-time data and detailed, up-to-the-minute reporting. Configurable qualification criteria trigger gates and alerts that give you insights into what's needed to close deals and commit to the forecast. Traffic color coding helps you and your managers identify problem areas and immediately take corrective action. iSEEit's org chart tool maps out buying centers and tags champions and economic buyers who influence close. And with iSEEit's configurable built-in sales playbook, your team can get onboarded and aligned that much quicker. iSEEit can even be implemented in just 1 hour. Get the foresight to orchestrate your entire team to close more deals and drive a more predictable and accurate forecast. Schedule a demo and let iSEEit navigate your way.